Imagine if scientists could stop struggling with a dozen different tools, switching back and forth between databases, juggling command lines, and piecing together complex pipelines. What if there was one powerful environment where with just a simple high-level command, a world-class AI could run experiments, dig through data, and even suggest new directions for research, all tailored specifically for fields like computational biology or drug discovery? That's not some sci-fi future. Right now, Anthropic's new Claude Science platform is betting that smarter workflows, not just bigger models, are the real revolution in AI-driven science. And today, we're going deep into how Claude Science could change the way research happens and why you should care even if you aren't a scientist. Before we dive in, if you're into cutting-edge AI, science breakthroughs, or practical tech insights, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and drop a comment if you think AI will ever discover a new blockbuster drug. Your feedback helps this channel bring you even better stories. Let's get to the heart of it. For decades, scientific research, especially in the life sciences, has been plagued by fragmentation. Researchers have to move constantly between different databases, code editors, simulation tools, and statistical pipelines. Every switch interrupts their flow. Time gets wasted not on thinking critically, but on figuring out logistics. We understand this pain deeply. At our firm, where we implement AI solutions for construction, legal, and engineering organizations, we see the same pattern. Brilliant minds bogged down by digital friction. It's as if a chef had to cook a meal, but for every ingredient, they had to leave the kitchen and go to a different building. Now, Anthropic believes it can change this situation. Claude Science isn't just another chatbot or marginally better AI model. It's a fully integrated digital workbench. Instead of bouncing around, scientists can work in a single environment. This change is huge because workflow is often the limiting factor in research, not just raw compute power. When a scientist can actually focus, the results can be game-changing. The platform integrates direct access to data warehouses, computational resources, and simulation environments, all accessible through the same interface that houses the AI. We're entering an era where model capability is becoming a commodity, but workflow integration is the new moat. Anthropic is realizing that even the smartest model is useless if it lives in a vacuum. By building Claude Science, they aren't just giving us a smarter brain, they're giving us a more capable pair of hands. This philosophy focuses on reducing the activation energy required to start a new experiment. If you can move from a hypothesis to a simulation in seconds instead of hours, the pace of discovery doesn't just double, it scales exponentially. Let's talk specifics. Claude Science is special because of how it allows scientists to issue concise, high-level instructions. You don't need to spell out every tiny task. The system is capable of breaking down a broad objective, identifying the relevant data, and even running meaningful computational experiments autonomously. So, for example, a researcher studying a rare disease could simply instruct Claude Science to analyze genetic datasets, propose possible drug targets, and even model initial compound interactions, all without setting up separate tools or having to supervise each step. Consider a case study in protein binder design. In the old way, a scientist would identify a target, manually download PDB files, run separate docking simulations on a local server, export results to a CSV, manually plot them in Python, and then write a summary. A single error in any step could derail the whole week. In the Claude Science way, we see a streamlined success. A scientist asks for a binding analysis, the platform fetches the data, runs the simulation in the background, auto-generates the visualizations, and presents a summarized report with suggested next steps. The success version of this story isn't just faster, it's more accurate, because the human researcher stays in the loop of insight rather than the loop of labor. The implications here are massive, especially for fields like computational biology and drug development. Think about it. Pharmaceutical companies invest billions attempting to find the next breakthrough. The roadblock isn't always a lack of data or imagination, but rather the inefficiency in navigating the complex digital infrastructure that supports research. Claude Science has the potential to break through those bottlenecks. In fact, Anthropic is already leveraging Claude Science for its own ambitious efforts to discover drugs for rare or neglected diseases. That's a big deal, because these are areas often overlooked by traditional pharma due to limited profitability, but the unmet medical need is real. Now, why is workflow such an overlooked battleground in the AI for science landscape? Because for years, the main players, think Google DeepMind, competed mostly on the size and sophistication of their AI models. It was a contest to see who could build the most powerful algorithm. But the new reality is, the best model doesn't matter if integrating it into real research is too cumbersome. Claude Science is making a bold bet. Ease and efficiency of workflow, not just raw AI strength, will win the next phase of scientific innovation. This strategy is clever because massive pharmaceutical companies are always on the lookout for solutions that speed up drug discovery and lower costs. The financial incentive is gigantic. And given that many scientists are already familiar with Anthropic's earlier tool, Claude Code, the transition to this more expansive platform could be seamless. The market landscape is ripe. There's a real hunger for tools that cut through digital clutter and let researchers focus on science, not IT headaches. Think of Claude Science as the transition from a calculator to a co-pilot. A calculator gives you an answer to a specific input. A co-pilot understands the destination and helps us navigate the storms. By offering integrated access to databases and AI-guided experimentation, it turns the platform into a true research partner. It's the difference between having a library of books and having a librarian who has already read them all and prepared a briefing for us. One point we must emphasize is that this isn't about replacing the scientist, it's about augmenting them. The AI handles the high-volume, repetitive digital tasks, the grunt work of science, freeing the human to do what they do best. Ask the hard questions. When we empower a human mind with an AI that can speak the language of code, biology, and data simultaneously, we're not just moving faster, we're seeing further. On top of that, Anthropic's focus is not just on releasing another product for the shelf. They themselves plan to use Claude Science to tackle real-world, high-impact problems like rare diseases. This isn't just a commercial venture, it's also about pushing the boundaries of what AI and humans can achieve together in scientific discovery. So let's bring it all together. Claude Science might just signal a new phase for AI in research, one where workflow and collaboration matter as much as having the world's biggest algorithm. For pharmaceutical companies, life science researchers, and anyone interested in how AI will change the way breakthroughs happen, this is a trend to watch extremely closely. If you want to be ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. And let us know in the comments, what would you ask an AI research assistant to solve first? And definitely check out the video in the corner to explore more of the biggest AI trends, breakthroughs, and real-world applications shaping the future. If you like this content and want to talk more about how AI can help your business, check the link in the description for a one-on-one call. See you in the next video.